Today's vlog is actually day number 2, and it is officially 4th of July, and we're actually here with the family. She's wearing her shirt, as you guys probably saw from the last video from the hotel. We have finally arrived here at the destination, which is with our family here in LA, in South Central LA, and here with kids. And there's my other kids. Oops, my face is too close. Then we're here in the front, and they're gonna be doing some. We're gonna be eating some tacos later on.
I thought we were eating like.
Yeah, and then we'll be showing you guys
The fireworks?
how they celebrate. Yeah, the fireworks. How they celebrate the 4th of July here in LA.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, you guys.
On 3, 2, 1, I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling.
Salud a mi canal de YouTube. Para cuatro giros, para mi canal de YouTube.
No vas a decir saludos a Omar como para que está.
Nomás que están en la playa.
Que se la pasen bien el 4 de julio.
Sí.
Que hubo aquí el miércoles.
Cuidado, si te prenden la mano, te la madre.
Yes.
¿En serio te cobran?
Todavía poniendo.
A few moments later.
A ver. I know. This is how it is in LA. We're in South Central LA, people.
El estadio de Vega Vinchó también le ponen. Aquí nomás, cerquita.
I know.
Bonito.
Como a las 2 de la mañana,
Ándale, ahí está el otro lado.
Ya, tus pelitos. Mira cómo se mira todo. Mire que tiraron ahí.
Mira, ¿y es qué es?
Un wish lantern.
Oh, so cute. Mira.
Mira el lobo caballo.
Ahorita le va a caer una bomba. ¡Pum! Lo va a explotar. ¿Dónde vas, cabrón? Le van a decir.
Mira esta abuelita de hoy. Rogelio.
Playa acá.
Pónganse todos, vamos a tomar una foto.
Fíjate pues la cosa. Nunca tengo fotos con él, nunca. Hey. Come up to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, even though it was short. I really couldn't continue vlogging. I was just wanted to spend some time with my family. We were laughing and talking a lot. So other than that, I really do hope you guys enjoy the fireworks along with my family. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be happy to see you guys for our next vlog. Bye guys.